sai an jima. Hi everyone, welcome to the official Ramadan Daily. Ramadan Mubarak to you all. I hope your Ramadan started out well and you are hanging in there. Today is the first day of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah for sparing our lives. I had wanted to start this vlog earlier, but yo, why Azim? Alhamdulillah, lafiya lau. Na ce babu mai a generator ne? So as I was saying, I was supposed to start this vlog very earlier on, but I had an errand and we are trying to get into this Ramadan routine, the new Ramadan morning routine. So when I woke up this morning, I woke up as early as 4 a.m. I couldn't sleep. I was restless. It is always like that for me for Ramadan. I always get very restless and excited, like I just feel like I should not be sleeping. So I dropped the kids off at school. I came back. I took a roughly 1.5 to 2 hours nap, and I had an appointment for 11 o'clock, so I left the house for the appointment. I just got back, so yeah, it's almost time for Zuhur actually, so I need to I need to pray, go out to pick the kids. Now the tricky thing for me now is going to be that I want to do this Ramadan daily, but you guys are not going to be getting the videos in the morning or in the afternoon like you guys are used to getting videos 11 a.m 3 p.m. We are going to be switching it. It is going to be going live 7 p.m. That is fair enough, around 30 minutes to iftar every day. Iftar here is around 7 a.m. Sorry, 7:30 p.m. So that is what, so whether you're in Nigeria or you're in the US or in the UK, wherever you are watching from, I just don't want it to be like, oh, people are getting it in the middle of food or this thing, but 30 minutes before iftar will give people room to watch it, like maybe after iftar or in the morning when they are less busy. And of course, I don't have my audience are a good blend of Muslims and Christians, so I still have content for my Christian followers. So that is what it is. So Ramadan daily for today, the first day of Ramadan, I'm about to come and start editing it now. This is also going to be like a day in the live vlog. I'm not promising everyday Ramadan daily vlogs, but I think I have enough to I have enough planned out to be able to do to be able to bring consistent content, that it won't look like we are missing days in between. And even if we do miss days in between, it is fine. So how are you guys doing? If you're seeing my face for the first time, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to start editing my video now. In short, the call to prayer should be happening any second, any moment from now. But I'm going to just quickly transfer my files and my recitation of the Quran. One thing I do is I recite my Quran after every salat. So now it's going to be tricky again for Zuhur because I have to go pick the kids up. But it's fine. I'm going to recite the Quran as soon as I get back from picking the kids, because I want to pick them up early. I want to be picking them up very early as always. So I definitely will also be bringing our first iftar. I'm still not sure what we are going to be eating today. There is this meal plan from this lady online, Hawa Kuluwas. So I can hear the mister and my mom on phone. If you're still not sure what Hawada Tigarba, this account, if you're still not sure how menu is going, because a lot of people are so unprepared. That is one thing that has been consistent. People are saying like they feel unprepared for Ramadan, and it's okay. There is no real preparedness other than for you to zero in your mind that this is worship, this is ibadah. The reason why women really prepare a lot is because the burden of nurturing, of care, is still on us. So we need to like balance out our schedule, our plan, so that everything works smoothly for us. So on her menu for the one, there is lamb curry, there is naan, and masa and pepper soup. So anything that you have available is what I take from this. And of course I would love for us to eat masa, but I don't have masa, so we are going to be doing the lamb curry. I have lamb curry, and I'm going to make pepper soup because it's a tradition for this house. There has to be pepper soup on the menu. Then yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along, so let us get going. Let me not blab too much for this intro so that I can just set up my editing, my content for editing. I have my laptop here. I'm wearing Ankara. This is, how long have I had this Ankara? 9 years. This is part of my Lefe Ankara. A lot of these clothes, I don't know, this one I probably will be keeping it for Khairiya. I want it to be the first wrapper she learns to tie, so I've been not wearing it so much because I want it to still, I mean, it's Hollandaise, yeah, it's Hollandaise, so it's not fading, nothing is happening to it. But I've been really nice, you know, gently wearing it so that she can wear it when I'm ready to pass it down to her. So yeah, this is it, and I'm loving it. And I'm loving my energy. I love how I feel. I'm not overwhelmed just yet. No pains, no headaches, no dehydration. Keep up on your hydration because that is what is going to make this, apart from mindset. Staying hydrated for during the month of Ramadan or during fasting is key. It is one thing that I decoded for myself long time ago. I don't care about all the food. Let me have at least 1 liter of water in my body and I'll be good to go. So my 1 liter of water will come in a combo of tea and water. As you guys, okay, I've not shown you guys. Yeah, I showed you guys in my Ramadan Eve vlog, which you guys are going to see. Water, tea, and I'll be fine for the rest of the day. So I'm blabbing too much already, but yeah, my goal is to keep the skin looking like this throughout the month of Ramadan. I'm sounding too vain right now, but yeah, this is one of my goals. Keep the skin looking like skin. Hey guys, it is currently 5 o'clock. I just finished praying Asr, so I came down earlier to put shaki on fire. I'm trying to put on my shoe. So this is the shaki here, but I want to bring it down now. I don't want it to be too soft because I want to make goat meat pepper soup. So it's going to have shaki and kidney in it. Then I'm also going to make shaki stir fry because thrive stir fry, in case you don't know what shaki is. So that one is specifically for the mister. So I have the shaki thawing here already. So I need to do some marinades. I need to marinate lamb. I'm going to go with, okay, I think I already mentioned it earlier that I'm going to do Aisha's Hawa's menu for day one. So there is no osei today, no pap today, just simple meals. And I want to parboil my goat meat and my kidney, so I'm going to strain this one. I need to do dishes here, but Khairiya need to come and arrange these dishes so that I can load the dishwasher. I need rubber. I need bowls. I said I need rubber. I need bowls. This is what I need. One, two. These my bowls. Since I moved to the US, that's how long I've had them. If I was in Nigeria and I had house helps, they probably wouldn't last this long because those. Come and when you finish eating your snack, please come and put the dishwasher away, okay? And put the things in the dishwasher put the things in the dishwasher back in the place, okay? And please, you have to do that quickly. Yes, quickly. So hurry up and finish your snacks and do that. Okay. So I'm going to put the shaki here. I'm still going to leave the hot water in it to soften it, the dirt. Is this same pot I'm going to use for the pepper soup? So I'll just rinse it and put my shaki and put my goat meat inside and my kidney. Jennifer in Jennifer's this thing there is a kidney. So I want to put my kidney in it. Anyone that you can't put away, you know what to do, right? Yeah, but just put it where it's supposed to be. Don't just leave them laying around, okay? Babe, are you okay? Babe, just check our chat. Yes, I'm sorry, it's Ramadan. Can you go to the parlor, please? It is hot in here. Hey guys, so I am finally done. I want to come and sign out of this vlog. It's not yet time for iftar. I think we have about 10-15 minutes to go. So I just finished. I kind of wasted time. You know, first day there's always that imbalance of planning. So I think that was what happened, even though I didn't make much variety. Like I just made pepper soup, lamb curry, naan, which is already pre-made, like I just toasted it, samosa that I just fried, then the mister's grilled thrive, the mister's grilled shaki that I made. So those are the only things. But I think what was, because I was also cleaning and filming at the same time, it kind of, you know, took away some time. But I'm so glad that I was able to clean everything. The only thing that is left is the pot for the Mr. Shaki. So yeah, I cooked. So one thing that I do for Ramadan, in case you guys wonder, oh, this food is too much, how many people? Yes, it's only food for four, but one thing I always do, if you're an OG on this channel, you know what it is, right? I always cook for after Ramadan. So everything that I have made or that I'll be making, some will be repeated during Ramadan, some will be saved for after Ramadan, inshallah, because I usually take like 2 weeks break out, 1 week to 2 weeks break out of the kitchen once Ramadan is over. This is to help me rejuvenate, re-energize, yeah, treat myself and rest. So if that is something you can do, have that at the back of your mind. If you are able to preserve food, I mean, as you're making it fresh, store it. This is not food that have been touched. It's just freshly cooked. Pack the portion that you want to preserve for after Ramadan, then the rest can be what you guys are going to eat. Like take enough for what you can eat, then whatever is left before anybody even touches it or another hand goes into it, bring it out of the, put it in your bowl, and you want to put it in your bowl while it is hot. That heat is going to preserve the freshness of your food for when you are ready to eat it again. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Ramadan daily vlog just went live, and I hope, I've not even checked it to see if it is doing well or not. So please subscribe to my channel if you're seeing my face for the first time. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Oh, another thing before I go, do not expect that I'm going to be vlogging every day of Ramadan. I'm not going to be doing that. So anytime there are going to be daily videos. Definitely won't be all Ramadan based content. So have that at the back of your mind, so that you don't think that I'll be vlogging every day of my life during the month of Ramadan. It is not going to be possible. So yeah, that I just wanted to put that out there. So see you guys in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.